Right, so as I promised, I'm going to try to give you a walkthrough of how to do the custom rotating header slider thing and how I would set it up anyway on my install of WordPress, and theoretically it should be the exact same for you as well. Alright, so logging into the dashboard, go down, header slider under appearance. Now, if it is the first time that you're setting it up, you'll want to go here, make sure custom images is selected, and just press save changes. Even if it's already selected, just press save changes once more. For some reason, until I did this, it was giving me errors and it wouldn't pull the actual images. Why, I really don't know. But do that, press save changes, let it reload and pop back up. Go back over to custom images, and I'll use your images just to give kind of a better example of this. So, well, actually, I'm assuming that you won't be doing it that way. So let's give you another thing. Assuming you'll be clicking on the upload image button, right, and going through it the whole entire way. So let's upload the image. Let it go through, and make sure to click File URL to make sure that the link over here is the URL to your actual image. Clicking File URL will display it there. Simply take it, copy it, Control-C, right-click copy, whatever you want to do. Close that, paste that into the image path. The image link is essentially where the user is going to go once they click on that specific picture. So we can make that, google.com, something like that, for example. Subsequently, you would do the same exact thing for the second and the third image. You would upload the images, copy the file link into the image path. So I'm just gonna pretend that these are mine that I uploaded. So I'm just gonna copy some of yours quickly into here. And say we make this one go to and we'll make this go there, make that go there too. Just as an example. So I'm just going to set 4, kind of make my life easier. Save changes. On that, it'll update, it'll show the pictures. That one's obviously way too big to be here, but regardless, that's what it'll be. So then you'll go to your page. Let's assume I'm going to make a new page just to show you how this would all work from scratch. Just an example. And you would want to make sure that under page attributes for the template, you select, let's say for example, header plus, right sidebar or something like that. Making sure that you choose something with the header option is the only way that you'll actually have that rotating header displayed. So if I were to publish, click to view the page, it'll bring the page up and it's going to rotate through. I think my setting's on like 10 seconds or something. I really didn't change it, but there you go. And it'll rotate through and it'll show you all of the different images that you selected in there. And like I showed you, we made it so that, for example, for the third one, if you click it, it'll go and it'll load up your website because that's the link that I specified for it. Now, the interesting thing to note here, that the other option with custom headers that you can set, and once again, as long as you're using a template that specifies headers, is you can scroll down here. You might not have as many things as I do for custom fields and random crap here, but you will have this custom header image, which is part of the BigCity theme. So if I go in here and I choose a file here, what it'll actually do, and this will probably look really bad because it's once again the wrong image. Here I can actually press insert into post, and it'll insert the link to that files right into there. If I then go ahead up here and press update, choosing a custom header image there will replace the slider with the image that I chose. So reloading this page here, now it's not going to show the slider, and it's only going to show that one image that I specified as the custom header image specifically for this page. Essentially, that's how I accomplished all of the different headings that I have for all of my services pages. This one being for the main service page, and as you start clicking in and going back down, each and every single service page has its own different header image that is displayed. Let me go ahead and move this to trash because I don't need it anymore. Really, I think that if you follow those, you should be good to go with getting your custom header sliders set up, and I hope that works for you. Oh, just as a quick thing, I think realistically the only reason it's showing you two here right now for the post slider is just because you only have one post and you have this and you have it specified to show two, and it doesn't have another one to show you, so it's trying to fill up that space with something. But I really wouldn't worry about it.